In this tutorial, we're going to look at how we can select a theme inside WordPress. So you can see here in our dashboard on the left-hand side, I've gone into the Appearance option off the menu. Underneath Appearance, we have several options. One at the top is Themes. When we click on that, we come to this panel. And this will list, and yours might look a little bit different, but this will list the current theme here at the top, and then below will be available themes. Now you might only see maybe one other theme here. I've experimented with several different themes for this particular blog, so you see several different ones down here. So let me start from where actually these themes came from. At the top of this page, next to the tab that says Manage Themes, you will see an option for Install Themes. If I click on that, here is the selection that we can use to go find themes that are for WordPress. And this is a much more powerful than what it used to be. It used to be you would just see the themes here and you would go through and select, but now you can choose by color, by page layout, 1 column, 2 column, 3 columns, by different functionalities built into the themes, and that's what this list is down here. This may or may not make any sense. If it doesn't make sense, I wouldn't worry about it. So let's say, for example, we would like orange. Actually, I'm going to leave, well, okay, we'll leave on orange, and say we know we want 2 columns in our web page, our website, so I'm going to choose 2 columns there. And these other ones, I really have no idea what they are. Say I didn't know what they are. I'll just leave those blank. Then I'm going to click on the option to find themes. So it goes out there to find all the orange 2-column themes. And as I scroll down here, it gives us quite a selection. Actually, we have, how many do we have? 39 items that it found. Now to experiment with the theme, say I'm maybe kind of liking this one, not sure if I really want it. I will often just click on the preview option. It'll open up in a pop-up window. I think. There it comes. Then if I wanted to use that, I preview it here. I'm going to close that window by clicking the little X at the top left window. If I liked it, then I would click on Install. That theme is actually a little too dark for me, so I'm not going to bother installing that. Let's pick on something else here. Let's say I kind of like the feel of this layout. Before I go into it, I'm going to click on Preview, or before I install it, I'm going to click on Preview, make sure I kind of like what I'm seeing. So that's a simple, clean, minimalistic type theme, and so I like that. So I'm going to close this window. Then under that theme preview, right next to the word preview, it says Install. So I'm going to click on Install. Again, it'll show me a little thumbnail of it. Are you sure you want to install? You can still cancel out if you wanted to. I'm going to say Install now. Now it installs it, but it doesn't activate that. I'm going to jump to a window where we have this site live. This is the current theme that's on that site. I'm going to jump back into WordPress. So nothing changed there. That's still the way it looked from the beginning. I'm going to go ahead and click on Activate here to activate the theme that we just installed. Now if we go look at the site, so I'm going to go to this other tab. I'm going to do a refresh. So I go pick up the latest version of this page, do a refresh, and there's our new theme. So just like that, it replaces the old theme with this new theme. Let's say maybe we like that and come back the next day, we just kind of change our mind. We're going to go back to the theme that we used to have, which was, I'm not sure which one. Oh, I think it was this one, the Idris, whatever that's called. Again, for the themes that I've tried in the past, they'll be listed down here. You can simply activate them if you want to go back to them. I'm going to click on Activate to go back to the original theme. Now if I go to the live site itself, click Refresh, it should go back to what it used to look like. So that's how you can do themes. And these are freebie themes, free themes that come within WordPress. If you want some other options, there's hundreds of options out there. Let me see if I can do this really quick. If I Google WordPress themes, there's all kinds of options out there to choose from. Some you have to pay money for, some you don't. But here's a whole site on different WordPress themes and options. So go explore, have fun. You can spend hours and hours just looking for a theme, but kind of understand what you want, what your end result is, what your end goal is, and then go out there and look for a theme that kind of fits that.